Can't believe we have this view here. It's amazing. Hello. Yeah, you can see Mount Fuji. All right. Goodbye. We're a gamer. Bjorn, if you're watching this. Yeah. I can't celebrate too loud because Bjorn is sleeping, but yeah. We're getting another dog. It's from an adoption. We're gonna take a look at her. Yeah, we're probably gonna get her fun. I'm actually woken up. It's Munchie. Oh, you have a cold, Iggy. You did it! Do one thing at a time. What you got there, Iggy? What you got there, Iggy? It's gonna be great.